Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm showing you how to make whole wheat bread at home. You need just 4 ingredients to make this whole wheat bread at home. No oil, sugar, milk or eggs are needed to make this super healthy homemade whole wheat bread. You don't even have to knead the dough to make this bread. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy oil and sugar-free whole wheat bread, you only need 4 ingredients: organic whole wheat flour, yeast, salt and water. Into a bowl, I am adding in 3 cups of organic whole wheat flour. So this is 3 cups of organic whole wheat flour. Into this I am adding in 1.5 teaspoon instant yeast. And with a spatula I am mixing the flour and the yeast. Next I am adding in 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and mix the salt into the flour with a spatula. Next I am adding in 2 cups of water. And mix this really well. You don't need to use your hand to mix this. You can mix this with your spatula. And the dough will be slightly sticky, so it will be difficult to handle with your hand. So ideally use a spatula. Now mix this really well so that everything is nicely incorporated. And scrape the sides as well. This is a very easy whole wheat bread which you can make easily at home. You just need your spatula to knead this dough. And once nicely mixed, I'm going to allow it to rest for about 2 to 3 hours or until it doubles. So I'm going to cover and let it rest. Proofing time depends upon the temperature of the place you live in. It's 3 hours now and let's check on the bread. As you can see, the bread has doubled and it has proofed really well. Wood pressed groundnut oil. You can use any wood pressed oil or grass fed cow's butter or A2 desi ghee. You can grease with any healthy fat of your choice. And with a paper and napkin, I am greasing the bread loaf tin. And I am lightly mixing the dough. You can see that it has risen really well. I am lightly folding the dough over. I am just pulling the dough from one end to the other. This dough is very sticky, so it's difficult to handle with your hands. So a spatula will be much easier to handle the dough. And once mixed, I am transferring the dough and with the spatula lightly spread the dough. Level the top with the spatula. You can sprinkle in seeds and nuts of your choice on top. You can even sprinkle in rolled oats or flax seeds. Any nuts or seeds of your choice can be sprinkled on top. I am sprinkling in some sesame seeds. And I'm going to keep this to proof again for another 2 to 3 hours or until it has doubled. So I'm going to cover and let it rest. And 2 hours later, the dough has doubled. I'm going to bake this in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes or until done. Now for those who are looking for baking bread without an oven, you can make this in the cooker, but make sure you use a aluminum or a steel container. I have already shared how to make cake on the stove top. You can follow that recipe to bake this bread, but avoid using a glass bread loaf tin. And after 60 minutes, the bread is nicely baked. So I'm going to allow it to cool down and then I'll slice and show you how it looks. Now if you prefer, you can rub little desi ghee or grass-fed cow's butter on top. And once it has cooled down lightly, run a knife through the sides. Store-bought bread may contain added additives, preservatives, fillers, artificial flavors and whatnot. But when you bake bread at home, you need just 4 ingredients. You can see that the bread is nicely baked. Okay, the bread has cooled down, so I'll slice and show you how it looks. Such a simple and easy bread to make at home. You don't even have to knead it with your hand. So easy to make at home. You can see how perfectly the bread has come out. You can see the air pockets inside the bread. It is soft and spongy. Super yummy, healthy whole wheat bread made with just 4 ingredients and so much better than store-bought bread. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.